Hi, so today I'm going to discuss phylogenetic trees. Here are some basic terms and definitions to give some background. Phylogeny is the study of evolutionary history of a taxonomic group of organisms. Phylogenetics focuses on the relationships of an organism to another based on evolutionary similarities and differences. These relationships are then determined by analyzing and comparing morphologies and/or molecular information of different species. A phylogenetic tree is a branching diagram that illustrates evolutionary relationships among different species based on physical or genetic characteristic differences or similarities. A Cladogenesis is where a new species is formed by evolutionary divergence. Anagenesis is where a species is formed without branching from the evolutionary line of descent. OTUs are operational taxonomic units that are used to classify groups of closely related individuals. Lastly, an outgroup is defined as a more distantly related group that is typically used as a reference group when determining the evolutionary relationships of the in-group. And the in-group is defined as the organisms that are under study. Here are the 9 organisms that are going to be used in my phylogenetic tree example: a margay, jackal, snow leopard, wolf, domesticated dog, lion, leopard, domesticated cat, and fox. This slide shows the cladogram of the chosen organisms. It is rooted, meaning that it shows the last common ancestor of the groups included in the tree with a basal node, aka root. Here the root is marked with a red star illustrating the common ancestor between both the feline family and the canine family. I differentiated the groups based off of characteristics, common knowledge, and information from my animal diversity class. I split carnivores into the canine and feline families. Then I split the felines into big cats versus non-big cats. The snow leopard is an outgroup because they do not roar, whereas lions and leopards do, which is why they were grouped together. Then the margay and ocelot are grouped together due to being in the same genus, and the domesticated cat was placed in the outgroup because of the genetic differences due to the processes of domestication. For the canines, I placed the foxes as an outgroup and the wolves and jackals as a group because wolves can reproduce with jackals and have fertile progeny, whereas if a wolf or a jackal breeds with a fox, they will have infertile offspring. And then I placed the domesticated dog where it is because dogs were derived from wolves. All the species were products of Cladogenesis except for the wolf and domesticated dog relationship, which illustrates Anagenesis. The OTUs of the tree are the organisms displayed, so lion, leopard, snow leopard, domesticated cat, ocelot, margay, jackals, wolf, fox, and domesticated dog. The internal nodes are marked with the blue stars and are defined as a node which at least has one child that branches off of it.